Welcome to day 3 of your 7-day flat belly challenge. Today, we're focusing on lower abs and deep core activation, an essential step in sculpting a flat, strong midsection. No equipment. No noise. Just your body and your breath. Leg drops. Lie on your back. Hands under hips. Lower your legs slowly and raise with control. Engage your lower abs. Don't let your back arch. Reverse crunches. Bend your knees. Lift your hips gently off the mat. Squeeze your abs at the top. Move slowly, control is key. Flutter kicks. Hands under glutes. Kick your legs up and down alternately. Keep your core tight. Small, sharp movements. Taps. Tabletop your legs. Lower one foot to tap the floor, then switch. Focus on keeping your abs engaged and your back neutral. Leg circles, right. Circle your right leg slowly in a wide, controlled motion. Keep the rest of your body still. Breathe. Mid-set rest, 20s. Pause. Take a deep breath. You're building real control over your core. Let's continue. Leg circles, left. Now your left leg. Slow, steady circles. Stay grounded and focused. Straight leg raises plus pulse. Lift both legs, then do a small pulse upward. Control the lowering phase. Keep your belly pulled in. Bicycle slow motion. Hands behind head. Extend legs slowly as you twist elbow to opposite knee. Go slow, it burns more because it works more. Heels to ceiling. Lift your legs up and press your heels toward the ceiling. Hips come slightly off the mat. Use your abs, not momentum. Dead bug. Arms and legs up. Extend opposite arm and leg, then return and switch. Control your breath. Tighten your core throughout. You've just completed day 3. Consistency beats intensity. Come back tomorrow, and your results will come too.